inspiration.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, this book is all about faith.
Yeah.
So, and a 14-year-old girl,
Oh my God.
a little girl,
I know.
has made
I
this
know. I wish to
possible.
have
Yes.
such a such like her to have. Oh
Yes,
my God,
she is there.
this is
I just interacted
amazing
with
and
her.
incredible children, child. Oh no, I wish to have like you, a daughter. I have a small. She is right now just 6 years, and I wish to be like her. Okay, and may God bless. May God, bless upon on you. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Okay, be strong always. You are, I know.
So, ma'am, it was her faith and her parents' faith
Yes,
that made this
actually,
even
the
possible.
faith.
How do you think your faith made your achievements possible? How your sports career is all the faith and
Yeah. See, from when I grew up, of course, my parents guide me in a always in a good way. Always, trust that faith. Like I yes, we believe, and especially I believe that Christian, and I belongs to Christian, and also faith. If we don't have that faith, whatever we are, whatever we do, I don't think we will able to succeed. Okay, so whatever you are doing, you have to faith on that. Yes, I can. I will able. And that only that confident if you are faith on you, of course if I am faith on on my own, definitely whatever we are in that field. So and of course hard work, that also important, and how much you give that day and night, and even sports as well, train every day, twice a day, and for the for the last how many years I have been competing and training. They paid, it's paid on it's paid actually. If you don't do that training or focus, whatever, and I don't think you will be not here today. And I'm so glad and I'm so happy that at the age of 14 and you achieve this much, and in the future and coming, oh my God, I want to see more and more to achieve that you shining or bright, that's up to you. It's up to you.
Thank you so
You know, it's all about on you that you, if you are willing, no, if you are willing, you can achieve whatever you want. And this is just the beginning. And you can achieve more and more and shine more and more. It's my blessing always. Okay? May God bless you once again.
Ma'am, you're a fit mom. So you have daughter. So how do you inspire your children to be fit, and how do you have any anecdote to share that you push them to fitness, and any particular fitness routine?
Automatically, actually, my children are into in sports, not in my footstep. Actually, not in boxing as well. They are into in soccer. They do sports. They play, and also nowadays the kids are growing. Already they become already 17 very soon in 2 days. The birthday is on 5th of August actually. The twins are already grown up. They become a 17 years in 2 days, and they are like crazy to build their muscle and body. Is it boys and girls a little bit different? Okay, the mindset to look handsome and muscular,
Yes.
look muscular, crazy children, kids are different. So now these days my sons are, they are more into in body, to show off, or I don't know what what is that. So it's good, at least they are doing exercise. So I'm happy that if they carry on like that, fitness gives you in so many things. Health-wise, we will not have any issue like in our health if we are keep on doing regular fitness every day. That is very use. I mean that the benefit of benefit to well-being, health, that is more important. If we are not good health, not well-being, then we can't do anything in the future.
Ma'am, my last
That is-
question to you is that sports, the faith, it brings all the faith, religion, all
sport,
together.
yes, all together.
Sports is one thing.
one
But nowadays,
No.
Olympics are going on. So you want to say something or comment about something, the ongoing Olympics? that is
Ongoing
going on.
Olympic. First of all, we already had 3 medals and we won more. So, I think we will get more medal in upcoming, 2 days, 3 days, or very soon as well. So my best wishes to all the contingent, all the competing in the Paris Olympic. Always my blesses is always there, and we not only bronze. I mean that.
And ma'am,
Now we want different color like silver or gold as
Yes,
well.
yes.
So I wish and pray that to come back with the silver as well as the gold. Thank you.
And ma'am, the ongoing Olympic controversy over gender, you want to
That's
say,
what
comment
to
about-
do. I think it's better to not to comment because it's not in my hand.
Yeah.
So the officially, the they are going to do handle everything. It's not so
Yes.
it's better to
Yes.
not to comment anything.
Last
about gender.
message for her.
Feel so bad also. Obviously at the same time, how do they know that? They don't know that. It's so
Last question for her.
really so bad.
For her. Last question. Message for her. Last message for her.
For her, so I already give a lot of blessing. I given that blessing is more than enough, and she is brilliant daughter. Not only for the parents, for the country only. Is it?
That is the best thing.
The best thing, not the parents is.
They are not secondary.
They are not secondary. The blessing is, for the entire nation. So you
Nation will
shine.
bless her.
Yeah, you shine. Keep on shining. Keep on shining. That is my blessing to you.
Yeah, Ashwini.
Okay.